Yeah, you jumping around? Yes. You like your toys? Aiden, you like your toys? You like your toys? Yeah. Do you like your toys? Can you see JD? Yeah. Yeah. Like your toys? Hi. Huh? You have a fun toy? Open up your book. Close your book. Wait, open up your book. Yeah. Yes. Yes. You want to touch JD? There you go. Whoa. Hi. Yeah. Yeah. You jump around? Jump around? Yes. Yes. Go.